everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own hand sanitizer holder. It's quick and easy. Let's go. So first we will make chains. So the length of the chains must be equal to the measurement of the bottle cap circumference. When you reach the length of your bottle cap measurement, insert the hook into the first chain and make a slip stitch to form a circle. And then make 2 chains. After that, make half double crochet across the circle, and this considered as first row. When you reach at the end of the row, make a slip stitch on the top loop of the first half double crochet. After that, make 2 chains and then continue making half double crochet across. So we will continue repeating this until we reach at the bottom of the bottle and make one more row below the bottom. So I finished mine. I made 12 rows in total, including 1 row below the bottle bottom. So now we will make 50 more chains to make a holder string. After that, insert hook into the next loop and make a slip stitch. So now put the bottle into hand sanitizer holder. Grab the string and put it through one loop. You made it! Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.